Hey everybody, it's Nick. Welcome back to the Decampers, and it is time for yet another upgrade video. Today I'm going to be upgrading the bathroom faucet. This is the crappy junky standard faucet that came with our camper, and it's plastic, and it just, like, the finish on it just looks like crap. It feels like crap. And so we ran to Lowe's and picked up this guy. It's a little taller, it comes out a little further. It should be a lot easier to get our hands underneath, because I mean, you really don't have much room to play with there, like my finger length. So this should be a lot better. Kind of a funny reason, like what pushed us to go ahead and upgrade the bathroom faucet right now is during all that crazy winter weather, you know, we're truck drivers, so we weren't home during all of that crazy cold. So we had neighbors turn the water to our house off at the meter, but we couldn't get the water out of the lines in the house or anything like that. So we suffered a little bit of damage at our house in our bathroom. The innards of the toilet got messed up, and our bathroom sink faucet got messed up. So we were at Lowe's. It's like, we need to pick up those things so I can fix the bathroom in the house. Well, we are staying in the RV right now because we're remodeling. So I kind of got the bright idea. I don't really want to buy an upgraded faucet for the bathroom right now because the bathroom is the next thing to get gutted, and we don't know what we're going to go with yet. So I was like, how about we upgrade the RV, and we'll, for temporary use, take the RV's faucet and put it in the house. So that way we're not buying a faucet that we're just going to end up throwing out when we start the bathroom remodel anyways. So win-win. So one-handed, let's see what we've got. We've already kind of opened it and looked at it. I really wish this would fit in our sink, but it's a little too wide. It's the little stopper, because our little crappy stopper, it sucks. As soon as water hits it, it wants to close. So we can't use that, unfortunately. And then here it is, the new faucet. The handles feel great. I'm really excited. It's actual metal and brass and everything. So I'm really excited about this. Alright, so let me get underneath the sink and see what we've got going on. Okay, here we go. Under the sink, you see the PEX lines here. Red for hot water, blue for cold water. And they just go, it's going to be dark, you probably can't see, but these lines just go straight up with a little twisty connection that screws into the bottom of the faucet. So if I bring you back up, those lines on this faucet will screw right in here on these little threads here. So let me get to it. Okay, so super easy. I unscrewed the lines that connect to the bottom of the faucet, and then you have these little guys. They're just like washers. I'll kind of demonstrate here. They screw onto this little channel here, and what that does is it clamps the faucet onto the sink. So the sink will be between here and the little washer. You just tighten, or to remove it, you just loosen those, and the faucet lifts straight out like that. Pretty simple. I can show you kind of right here on the new faucet. You just unscrew these guys. This is what clamps the faucet to the sink. Super easy. If you know how to work a screw, you can change out your own faucet. Now, time for truth. I am really worried. I don't think it's going to fit. It fit. All right. Look at that. So much nicer. Okay, now I just have to screw these little guys onto the bottom underneath each little knob. That will tighten it to the sink. And then I screw my little lines back on, and done. Okay, so I found a little light. I wanted to show you guys what to expect underneath. So this little black little connector is actually connected to your PEX line. It just screws on, and then you see the gray ring at the top. That's what I was talking about, that screws on to clamp your faucet to your sink. Now, I would recommend, before you do this, you do kind of, as I did, and put a towel down, because there will be a little bit of water coming down, and if you're like us, you're going to get some winterizing antifreeze. So, anyways, I can get that guy out of the way. There it is. I think this took me 10-15 minutes max. So, I wish we weren't winterized so I could kind of try it. Oh, let me get up off the floor and check that out. It goes to the middle of the sink pretty well. This one, you can see the difference. This one didn't quite go to the middle, and it wasn't as high up. So now I can really get underneath here and wash my hands and everything. So there goes the bathroom upgrade. Thanks for joining us, guys. I appreciate it. Hit that like and that subscribe, and I'm sure I'll be coming up with another little upgrade video soon.